The sharp saw blade slices through the wood, the thunderous roar of falling trees, and the incredible power of forestry machinery. Everything is ready for you to explore in today's adventure. Heavy loggers. Don't miss a single thrilling moment in this video. Dear ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to explore something truly fascinating. Tree felling. But it's not as simple as just picking up a saw. Each tree's position requires different techniques, and the magic lies in this. The way a tree falls will be entirely different. Will it gracefully lean and descend slowly, or will it suddenly snap and crash down in a dramatic fashion? Stay tuned to find out. Wow, that's amazing. Look at that tree. It feels like it has been here for ages. A massive centuries-old cedar standing tall, witnessing everything. And the way the lumberjack brought it down. So perfect, smooth, and precise. Every movement deliberate. It's like a form of art. And seriously, can you believe it? Its circumference is over 8 feet. It's even more impressive than me. Ladies and gentlemen, right now, we are witnessing a highly skilled performance by a logging truck navigating a winding terrain. But wait, this is no ordinary journey. Look at that. The truck is taking the curves smoothly, with speed precisely controlled. This demonstrates how the driver is making full use of engine braking and the transmission retarder to maintain stability. It's no easy challenge, but with expert handling, the truck continues to move forward with confidence. What a spectacular display in the forestry industry. Before us stands a true giant, a massive Picea aspirata tree in California. With a diameter of 10 meters, a height of 100 meters, and a lifespan that can reach up to 100 years, it has been standing here long before many civilizations were born. A magnificent witness of time. Truly incredible. The John Deere 1110D has run into an unexpected challenge and gotten completely stuck. But don't worry, the operator is a true expert and has quickly managed to break free. Honestly, we were a bit shocked for a moment, but now everything is back on track. In this industry, no matter what happens, you have to keep things moving. That's the key to getting the job done. Dear friends, imagine before us stands a stubborn tree stump, clinging tightly to the ground through the years. But don't worry, with a block and tackle system boasting a mechanical advantage ratio of up to 21-1, we will turn this challenge into a spectacular performance. With just a pull from the car, the pulley system instantly amplifies the force, generating an enormous impact on the tree stump. The cables gradually tighten, the pressure builds up, and then the long-awaited moment arrives. The stump begins to tremble. Its roots break free from the ground, making way for the triumph of technology and ingenuity. Isn't it amazing, everyone? A task that once seemed arduous has now become easier than ever thanks to the power of mechanics. Ladies and gentlemen, watch the SpaltFix K415 in action. This powerful machine swiftly cuts long logs into sections, then splits them and neatly pushes them into the container. Everything happens quickly, precisely, saving time and effort. A perfect assistant for wood processing. This is why carefully observing when a tree is about to fall is extremely important. Just one moment of distraction, and an accident could happen right before your eyes. If you're looking for power and flexibility in the forest, let the OSA 270 Hallam amaze you. This machine effortlessly handles 12 tons of wood with an advanced balancing system that keeps it steady even on the roughest terrain. Whether it's hauling logs or processing lumber, nothing can challenge the OSA 270 Hallam. And when paired with the OSA 710 processor, get ready to unleash its full power. A machine built for those who demand superior performance in any condition. Absolutely incredible. A simple idea transformed into an unbelievably efficient machine. This wood-cutting machine is not only powerful, but also a clear testament to the power of innovation. Just a bit of ingenuity can lead to amazing results. A perfect demonstration of intelligence and superior performance. Let's talk about making work easier. This machine handles bark and stumps smoothly, even devouring logs up to 40 inches like a hungry hippo. Just feed the wood in and chomp. Everything is processed quickly and neatly. Less hassle, higher productivity. That's smart and efficient work. Who wouldn't want a powerhouse like this? An impressive scene. The massive Mack truck, carrying gigantic logs, slowly moves up the gentle slope. The engine roars, the wheels turn. Power, endurance, and driving skills are all put to the test. Will it make it? The Narva S23C is truly groundbreaking. Its ultra-light structure, combined with the JP23 extension arm, delivers exceptional reach. Most notably, the Bluetooth measuring device enables precise cutting with just a single directional valve. And even more astonishing, even with an oil flow of just 40 liters per minute, its performance remains impressive. Dear friends, let's marvel at a breakthrough in forestry technology. The John Deere 1470E harvester. With a robust operating frame and a specialized hydraulic system, it conquers even the roughest terrains smoothly and steadily. And here's the highlight, the CH9 crane, boasting an impressive reach of up to 11 meters and a powerful lifting capacity of 1,000 kilograms. But that's not all. The Supercut 100S saw blade is also in play, ready to cut down massive trees up to 70 centimeters in an instant. Superior performance, optimized uptime, and above all, absolute safety for the operator. A must-have machine in modern forestry. Many people own chainsaws, but not everyone is mindful enough to ensure their own safety. Be especially cautious when felling trees. This is not only a physically demanding task, but also one that carries significant risks. Even a small mistake can lead to serious consequences. Unexpected falling branches, a tree toppling in the wrong direction, or even severe injuries. Massive logs are hurtling down the mountain, and these operators handle them as if they're in a high-octane action movie scene. Absolute precision, intense focus, and nerves of steel all come together to create a breathtaking performance you can't look away from. A homemade stump grinder that runs as smoothly as a store-bought one. Truly the pinnacle of creativity and DIY engineering. But hey, before you get too excited and give it a try, remember one crucial thing: safety first. This wood peeling machine may be simple, but its efficiency is top-notch. With a chain drive system and sharp blades, it smoothly and swiftly strips each layer of wood. No expensive technology needed, just pure innovation. From manual wood peelers, we now step up to automatic wood peeling machines. Faster, more powerful, and more precise. Simply feed the wood in, and the system takes care of everything, smoothly and evenly stripping each layer without any effort. This is the power of automation, turning heavy labor into a seamless, efficient process. In 2022, they officially elevated their sawing capabilities with the state-of-the-art Meringer saw frame, a powerhouse equipped with a fully automated width adjustment system. But that's not all. Holtzbow Bins took things to the next level by integrating a suite of advanced Minger equipment, including clamps, auxiliary vehicles, ring knives, and a pre-cutting system. The result? A seamless, powerful, and millimeter-precise process. This isn't just an improvement, it's a revolution in sawing. Without a fearless cameraman, we wouldn't be able to witness the Tatra Phoenix 8x8 conquering the muddy forest terrain in such a spectacular way. Look at that. Each wheel powers through the mud like a true beast. Comment 2 if you love this moment, or 1 to cheer for the skilled driver. Let me know. Oh my, what's happening here? If this scene leaves you in awe, comment 1 now. Your support will inspire us to create even more amazing content. Who isn't captivated by the latest technology? And here it is, the HTZ1200 Plus, a truly impressive machine. With a powerful 45/55 kilowatt engine and a cutting width ranging from 160 to 180 millimeters, it's ready to take on any challenge. Could this be the machine you've been looking for? Let's find out. Amazing. Everything is running smoothly. The race truly begins now. The last trees have fallen, but the challenge is far from over. As the snow thickens, the path ahead turns into a brutal test of endurance. The Pacific truck is gearing up for the turn, hauling a massive load of timber. Wheels gripping tight, engine roaring. The power is truly astonishing. I know exactly what you're feeling. Pure excitement, right? There's an undeniable pull from this raw power, keeping you glued to the action, unable to look away for even a second. The Timberwolf Alpha 6 isn't just a tool, it's the key to success. With optimal performance, it helps you work faster and more efficiently. Experience the difference today, and that wraps up another incredible journey into the world of logging machines. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you next time. Stay true to the lumberjack spirit.